Be careful, you silly goose. Yep, see? You see? And Mommy says be careful. You should be sitting in your seat. But you crawled out. Hey, no, no, no. You be careful. Oh. What you got, Nora? What you got? You sit your bottom down, missus. Sit it. Nora. Nora, can you say Mama?
Mama.
And say Dada.
Dada.
Say Ella. Careful. Can you say Ella? Yeah. Can you say Ava? Say Ava. That one's tough. Nora, can you say thank you? Yeah, you're welcome. Nora, say bye-bye. Nora, stinker. Nora, whoop, be careful, honey. Nora, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.